Do you have any over-the-counter pain relievers? Do you have any over-the-counter pain relievers? Can I get this prescription filled here? Can I get this prescription filled here? How long will it take to get my prescription ready? How long will it take to get my prescription ready? Is this medication safe to take with my other prescriptions? Is this medication safe to take with my other prescriptions? Do you have any cough syrup for children? Do you have any cough syrup for children? Can you recommend a good multivitamin? Can you recommend a good multivitamin? Is this cream available without a prescription? Is this cream available without a prescription? How much does this medication cost without insurance? How much does this medication cost without insurance? Is this the right place to drop off my prescription? Is this the right place to drop off my prescription? Do you sell allergy medicine? Do you sell allergy medicine? Can I use my insurance for this prescription? Can I use my insurance for this prescription? Where can I find the first aid supplies? Where can I find the first aid supplies? Is there a generic version of this medication? Is there a generic version of this medication? Do you have any products for sore throats? Do you have any products for sore throats? Can you explain how to use this inhaler? Can you explain how to use this inhaler? Is there anything I should avoid while taking this medicine? Is there anything I should avoid while taking this medicine? Do you sell supplements here? Do you sell supplements here? Can you recommend something for dry skin? Can you recommend something for dry skin? What's the dosage for this medication? What's the dosage for this medication? Do you have any travel-size toiletries? Do you have any travel-size toiletries?